Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to tell you that how to watch the lecture series from online sources classes. It's a very easy process. First you need to log into this, for example onlinesourcesclasses.com, as you can see in the top left side. Okay, so then you will have your login ID and password you must be having, which we will send you. Remember that this is a sign up. Nope, you need to go for login. So now you need to go for email. So for example here I have the email ID. In this way you must have an email received. So this is my own email ID. So we are doing a small exemplification on that, and then you give your password, which has been also been sent to you by WhatsApp and email both. Then you go to login. So once you logged in, see, log out, that means you are already logged in. So now here our classes, find us, lecture series, you go to lecture series. For example, here your series is, here I've given it to you as A series. So now A series is, first let me just tell you how the A series comes in. So these are the series. So if you have access to this, so you can go for arbitrarily, if I go to A5, you can see the series comes like this. Easy. Then you can scroll down and you can see in chronological order it has been mentioned. Remember that you need to watch it in laptop or PC. This is beneficial, not in any phone, because then it comes in a little bit jumbled up order. Okay, so next, again this lecture series, you go to A7 and you get to see then A7. Okay, it's pretty fast here, and it never hangs, so it's very structured format. B5, B7. But if you don't have access to something, if we don't have provided access to, maybe like maybe this physics you have not taken to us, so you don't have permission to access this page, they will show it to you. Okay, so back to site again, you have to go back, and in this way. So for example, you need to go to this special series on this, you may not have it, then you go to this. So don't go for switch account. Okay, now for example you have to see, I've told you that you need to see this lecture. So for example, for numbers theory, here it's mentioned 312 to 318. So how to find it out? So we must have sent you another PDF also mentioning C5, A5, A2. So it's very easy to find out also. This is a normal ordering only. So let's go to A7. So A7 must have this. So 312 you need to find out. 312. Yes, the number theory, number theory, number theory. In that way, the old lectures you can see. Then again, you can go for another one. Sorry, yeah. So for another one, for example, you want to see limits 356 to 359. So let's go to 356, and that way you can find it. Yeah. So limits, and this is now, what is this? This is the PDF by which the class has been taught. So you can click on the PDF and you can get the PDF, what is done exactly, what are the sums I have given, and if you want to practice from there, this is some of the theories I have discussed in the class. Everything is there. Okay, now if you need an elaborate analysis, you can also see it here. For example, you can do it anything. And every PDF is in a working condition, so don't worry, and you can forward it as well to your WhatsApp number. So here a number theories basic things have been taught, but remember that this PDF is separately is also use worthy, because whenever I have done questions on the revisionary part, okay, like problem solving session, so here in this PDF you get to see the problems directly comes out. Here you can see the problem, and here you can see the solution. I'm trying to make it a little bit a large version of it. See, so it's very easy to check it out, and you can check all the solutions from here which I have solved in that particular class. In the lower portion I may have given this question as a homework to you as well. Okay, so this is a very much scientific way of seeing it, and even after this, if you, when you just finish it off, you just go to log out, or you can keep it like this.